Building and operating a secure and compliant infrastructure in the public cloud is challenging. Capable DevOps talent is expensive and hard to find. Implementing the security controls for compliance standards like SOC 2, PCI, or HIPAA is a 6 to 12-month effort, requiring InfoSec expertise and thousands of lines of infrastructure as code. That's where DevOps as a Service from DuploCloud can help. Our software platform delivers a comprehensive solution that guarantees a secure and compliant infrastructure in as little as 2 weeks. Automating the full DevSecOps lifecycle, including network infrastructure, cloud services, application deployment, diagnostics, CI/CD, as well as offering auditing and reporting capabilities. The platform installs in a VM inside your cloud account and is accessed through our no-code web UI. Those who prefer infrastructure as code will write 90% less with our low-code Terraform provider. And 24/7 support from our DevOps experts directly in your Slack channel keeps your application running smoothly. Get started with DuploCloud, cloud infrastructure done right the first time.